Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best hoverboard under $200 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. When we think of hoverboards, we think of something fun for kids, but that doesn't mean adults can't enjoy them as well. There are a variety of hoverboards available with design for both children and adults. Hoverboards are available in a variety of sizes, so choosing one is appropriate for your body size. The wheel diameter represents the difference between hoverboard sizes. Wheel diameter of 6.5 inches are recommended for children, while 8 inches and 10 inches are recommended for adults, because there are so many different hoverboards in the market. The price range varies as well. So in today's video, we will go through the top 3 great hoverboards under $200. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. Number 3. Hoverboard Ultra. When I think of a good hoverboard, the first thing that comes to our mind is that weightlifting capacity. Because we all weigh differently, we need one that can easily support our bodies. The Hoverboard Ultra is a powerful hoverboard that can lift 250 pounds and composed of high quality solid materials. The Hoverboard Ultra has a powerful battery that allows to travel continuously for 12 km on a single charge. It has a battery cover the protection against fire and protection against fire and overheating. Pros of Hoverboard Ultra. The first pro, strong body that can lift up to 250 pounds. Second, long-lasting battery. And third one, fire and overheating protection. Cons of Hoverboard Ultra. Packing is substandard. Number 2. Swagtron Swagboard Twist. Swagtron Swagboard Twist is equipped with a powerful dual 250-watt hub motor and a 6.5-inch diameter wheel. Because the Swagtron Swagboard Twist can only lift 200 pounds, you should think about your weight before leaping in. When it comes to the battery, on the Swagtron Swagboard Twist, it comes with a battery that allows to ride for 4.8 miles on a single charge. The Swagtron Swagboard Twist is an inexpensive hoverboard with a strong LED light incorporated into the breed and a 30-degree climbing feature. Pros of Swagtron Swagboard Twist. The first pro, 30-degree climbing feature. Second pro, it's affordable. Third pro, you can carry the weight of 200 pounds. Cons of Swagtron Swagboard Twist. It has 2 cons. The first one, not waterproof, and second, not so fast. Number 1. XPRIT Hoverboard. Because of its simple to ride and learn qualities, the XPRIT hoverboard is recommended for beginners and children. This hoverboard is not the quickest on the market, but it has a respectable 6 mph top speed. The hoverboard's battery charging in 2 hours and can go for 45 to 75 minutes on a single charge. The XPRIT hoverboard can withstand weight up to 165 pounds, which is 75 kg, making it perfect for children and lightweight individuals. Pros of XPRIT hoverboards. The first pro, built-in Bluetooth speaker. Second, 6 mph speed. Third, available various colors. Cons of XPRIT hoverboard. It has short battery life. Second, not the fastest. So guys, this was the video about the best hoverboard under $200. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.